Gonna make a change for once in my life. It's gonna feel real good. Gonna make a difference. Gonna make it right. As I turn up the collar on my favorite winter coat, this wind is blowing my mind. I see the kids in the street with not enough to eat. Who am I to be blind, pretending not to see their need? A son's disregard, a broken bottle top, and a one-man.
Hi, my name is Frank Ramirez, and for my birthday on April 6th, I asked for people to donate to the Ghost Future Project, and now I'm here to pay for the pizza.
So you raised on this?
Hey Frank, I just want to tell you thank you for everything that you've done. You've raised so much money, so proud that somebody your age would actually go forth and ask for this for his birthday. Just want to let you know, good job, very, very proud of you, and just keep it up.
Hey Frank, I just want to say that I'm so proud of everything that you did. Like, this is your doing, and I really wish you had like the best birthday because you deserve it. And I hope your heart is always as big as it is now, and I wish you the best.
Yeah. Okay, Frank, this is for you. Just letting you know that we all love you for everything you've done today and raising all this money for the homeless community. You were a blessing to them, and thank you for donating all that money.
Happy birthday, Frank. You did an awesome job raising the money for the Pizza Project. Amazing. I really enjoy your company. And see you next month. See you next month, vlog. Okay, so a very blessed, happy birthday we start off with. Thank you very much for your wonderful hard work and donation. Remember that it always starts with one. You smile, you share it with someone, and they're going to share it with someone else. So thank you again for all your hard work. Keep coming!
Hi Frank, I just wanted to tell you happy birthday. I want to say how grateful we are that you are out here, not only for all you did collecting pizza money for your birthday instead of getting gifts, but just to see you out here is pretty awesome. You're a really awesome kid. I love seeing you. You make our days happy. Well, at least mine, when I see you, you're just always with those big green eyes and smiling and so excited to be here. And I hope you continue to do this because in a few years, me and Hiccups and all of the volunteers might be older and might not be able to make it, but I'm pretty sure you're gonna grow up to be doing something like this, and I would love to come and help out as a volunteer, even if I'm in a stroller, walking, pushing my little wheelchair or something, but I will love to see you one day be out here and starting a group of your own. And I know you could do this because you have so much potential, you have the heart to be doing all this stuff.
Human life all over around here, and I've said it before, as long as I live I will be coming here, so join me. And also I forgot, where's my friend Frankie? Frankie, where are you, buddy? Come here. And Madeline, come over here, por favor. Who's serving vodka? Listen, guys, this month's pizza project was sponsored by these two individuals. His 14th birthday, this young man, before he turned 14, all he wanted was to raise money for his birthday to continue feeding people here in Skid Row. And this young lady, who's also 20, all she wanted for her birthday was to raise money to continue doing this. So there's ways of celebrating your birthday, and I think these guys deserve a round of applause for sharing their birthday.
And that life will be stronger and free, as God has shown us by turning stone to bread.
And so we all must lend a helping hand.